Hello students, all of you are welcome for today's class. Do you know what will we be studying today? India and its physical features. So my dear students, you often must have heard this very famous phrase called Incredible India in many ads. But do you know what the term incredible means? Let us find out. Incredible means wonderful. But why is our country called wonderful? Our country is a vast and a very beautiful country. We can find many religions here, different kinds of cultures and food. And similarly, India also has a variety in its physical features. But what is the meaning of physical features? Physical features of India. Let us find out the meaning of physical features. So students, physical features means different shapes of the country, like its mountains, plains, valleys, islands, peninsula, oceans, rivers and lakes. So the first physical feature of India is the Northern Mountains. India has many mountain ranges like the Himalayan mountain range, the Karakoram mountain range and the Purvanchal mountain range. As it snows a lot here, most of the trees are conical in shape and we also call them coniferous trees. The second is the Northern Plains. The land in Northern Plains are very fertile, that is, it is very good for growing different kind of crops. Very important rivers like the Sutlej, the Ganga and the Bramhaputra flow here. And it is also sometimes famously called the rice bowl of India. The third is the Western Desert. The Thar Desert is the desert in the northwest part of India, as you can see clearly on the screen. It also separates India from our neighboring country, Pakistan. You can also find a beautiful pattern formed by the air on these sands and they are called sand dunes. Now the fourth is the Southern Plateau and it is also called the Central Plateau. This area can be found in states like Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and so forth. The land of these states are very rich in minerals like gold, mica, iron, gold and so on. Now fifth and the last physical feature of India, students, is the coastal plain and the islands. India has two coastal plains, the eastern coast and the western coast. But what do we mean by the term coast? Coast means any part of the land which is near the sea. The main occupation of people living here is fishing. The islands of India. What do we mean by the term islands? An island is a land which is surrounded by water on four sides. And India has two groups of islands, the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands has 300 islands and the Lakshadweep Islands has 27 smaller ones. Thank you and have a nice day.